ViewSonic's exclusive View Split software allows you to create an ideal and customized working environment on any ViewSonic screen, from desktop monitors to large format commercial displays, so that you can instantly and easily maximize productivity. To install, just download from the View Split product page on the ViewSonic website, or from the driver and software section found on any product page of the ViewSonic website. Double-click the View Split icon on the desktop, or click on the notification tray icon. The View Split homepage opens. Select a predefined template. The template you choose is applied to the ViewSonic monitor selected as your main display. Then simply drag the window of your application into the desired View Split window. The View Split window will turn blue. Then drop the application. The window will position and resize automatically. To create a customized template, click the tool icon from the Customizable Template section. Then select a template from the predefined template section. The template layout you selected appears on screen. You can customize the template by dragging and resizing the red borders. Click the Save icon to save the customized template. You can save up to 6 different templates for maximum flexibility. To learn more, visit viewsonic.com.